Hello everyone, and I'm here at the DPR PATS campus located here at Plaridel, Bulacan.
DPR PATS, or Philippine Academy in Technology and Sciences, is a school located here at Plaridel, Bulacan. They provide students with the knowledge and skills in the field of aircraft maintenance such as identifying, inspecting, operating, maintaining, troubleshooting aircraft structural, mechanical, and electrical systems, repairing structures and systems for aircraft and other aerospace vehicles. They also offer other courses related to aviation such as flight attendant course. Their flagship course is AMT, or Aircraft Maintenance Technology, and they are equipped with different aircraft to really bring out the best in their students. I would really like to thank DPR PATS for allowing me to shoot this video. They are located at Airport Road, Plaridel, Bulacan.
And behind me is an ERCO Ercoupe. So let's go check it. So the ERCO Ercoupe is basically a low-wing monoplane which first flew in 1937. So yun nga, this is a vintage aircraft. Okay, it was made by ERCO, ERCO, which actually means Engineering and Research Corporation. Okay, the name of this plane is Ercoupe, or some say call it Ercoupe, but yeah, Ercoupe. And yes, this aircraft is registered in the Philippines. Okay, and this particular Ercoupe carries registry number RPC 1375. This exact aircraft was manufactured in August 22, 1946. So yan nga, this plane is really old. Okay, I am sure it must be as old or older than your dad's, or maybe as old as your grandpa's. You can consider this a vintage plane. And of course, this plane is owned by DPR PATS. Alright, the last model year that this was made is 1970. And happy to say that this is the only Ercoupe here in the Philippines. I hope I'm correct there. Okay. So just a little bit about this aircraft. So this was designed by Fred Wick, a former assistant chief at NACA. All right, it's inspired by the 1931 Stout Sky car. Okay, so this has a tricycle landing gear, a parasol wing, and a pusher propeller. This is its engine, its propeller. Okay. And the most unique feature of this aircraft is it has no rudder pedals. So, yun, if you're gonna look inside, wala kayong makikitang rudder pedals. You might be wondering how they steer this aircraft on the ground. Yes, you use the steering yoke. So, parang kotse nga. You only have one pedal actually there, which is the brake. So, this particular aircraft has a crew of 2. Okay. Yun nga. You have 2 steering yokes over there. The total length of the Ercoupe is 20 feet and 9 inches, and it has a wingspan of 30 feet. 30 feet. Okay. It has a height of 5 feet and 11 inches. It has a maximum speed of 110 miles per hour and a cruise speed of 95 miles per hour. So sobrang gaan ng eroplano na to talaga. Actually, it has a ceiling service of 13,000 feet, okay, and a rate of climb of 550 feet per minute. So yun, let's take a closer look at the aircraft. So one of the most unique features of the Ercoupe is how you get in. Step there, then get in here. These are slide windows. There you go. There you go. You can slide it all the way up, down, and hanggang dito lang to. So when you're gonna get in, which I'll show you later, step here, and just get in the plane, and yun. Okay, just a little things here about the Ercoupe. Okay, you might notice something. This plane has 3 fuel tanks, one on each wing, okay, Those are the auxiliary fuel tanks. Okay, one, and on the left wing, another one. Okay, these are the auxiliary tanks, and the main tank is here. This is a center tank. Okay, now you might be also wondering what this is. Okay, this is what you call a venturi tube. This one drives the turn compass. Okay, and there's another one on the other side. Okay, another one, another venturi tube, and this drives the gyro instruments. Yon. These venturi tubes only existed in vintage planes, so mga 1930s planes, and this one's had it. But if you're gonna look at the Cessnas, wala na yon. So basically, that one is exclusive for such planes, for a 1930s plane like this Ercoupe and that Piper Cub over there. Okay, kaso lang di pa nata nakabitin nandun. So yon, that's another side. And of course, you'll also notice the twin tail H design. Okay, now over there is a VHF antenna, and this one is not really supposed to be there. Okay, so this one is a VHF antenna, and there's a flight deck, which I will show you later. I'll try to get inside the aircraft, okay, and show you more about it. This is the ERCO Ercoupe, owned by DPR PATS. Okay, guys, so I'm about to step in this ERCO Ercoupe, okay, and gagawin ko for the first time dito sa DPR PATS. Magsa-start ako ng aeroplano. So, let's get in. Oh, parang hirap pumasok dito Yun. Alright. So, okay. Let's get it on.
So, una muna po, ito po yung ERCO Ercoupe.
Okay.
Yung kakaiba po sa kanya is yung kanyang yoke. Pagka paniliko niyo yung kanyang yoke,
okay,
sasabay din po yung nose wheel. Unlike po sa mga Cessna 152 to Cessna 150, yung ailerons na po yung gumagalaw. Sa kanya po, yung kanyang nose wheel, then yung flaperons.
Pansin ko nga wala nga siyang rudder pedal Brakes, brakes na to,
brakes, Papa. Isa lang po yung preno niya. Parang kotse po yung configuration niya.
Oo nga.
Pagka inapakan niyo po yung kanyang brakes, sabay po na dalawang landing gear yung kakagat yung brake caliper.
Alright. Okay.
So yung sa starting procedure po, yung sa starter po pala niya, kakaiba po Ihilahin niyo po siya.
Oh, okay.
Ihilahin po.
So,
medyo matigas gala po.
So, naka-on na to?
Yan pala po.
Okay. So,
Una po, sa boat. Lalagyan niya po sa boat.
Sa boat.
Yan.
Okay.
Then, okay na po ito. Mixture full reach.
Okay.
Then, throttle 1/4.
Okay, throttle 1/4.
Tapos yung kanyang hose pump.
Okay, so fuel pump on dito. Alright. So, props clear! Start. So yun, we just switched on an ERCO Ercoupe vintage aircraft right here at DPR PATS. Yun. So again, this plane has no pedals. For you to maneuver the ground, you use this steering yoke because it also turns the nose gear. Hindi ka na magagalaw sa ground. It only has one pedal, which is the brake. Alright, and it's very straightforward. Instruments are very straightforward. Airspeed, okay, altitude, rate of climb, diba? Rate of climb. Alright, so it's very much straightforward. Alright, so para patay. Alright, so yeah. Now we'll switch it off. So, you've heard how a ERCO Ercoupe sounds like, and this plane is Mas malaki yata ang loob nito kaysa sa 152. Kasi parang 52, 152, feeling ko dikit na yan.
Mahirap nga lang po sumakay sa...
Mahirap lang lumabas. Yes, true. Kasi, you cannot push this even further down. Ito na yan, sa ganyan. Kaya nahirapan ako pumasok dito. Bagan talaga, these are old planes. So thank you so much DPR PATS for this opportunity to, you know, run up an ERCO aircraft. This is a vintage plane. Isipin mo, this was originally made in 1937, but this particular aircraft was manufactured during the 1940s. So isipin mo, mas matanda pa siya sa tatay ko. Alright, so tara, labas na tayo. So I hope you enjoyed this video of our walk around on the ERCO Ercoupe aircraft. Okay, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is Mond Ortiz, and thank you of course to DPR PATS for giving me this opportunity to start a vintage aircraft over there. Alright, DPR PATS is located at Plaridel, Bulacan. One of their specialty, actually their specialty course is AMT. Okay, and you gotta check it out here. Ang dami pang aeroplano dito, and believe it or not, it was yung students ng DPR PATS ang bumuo nito. Alright, kumbaga project nila to. So isipin niyo, ang project nyo hindi thesis, hindi yung project nyo hindi papel or gagawa ng report. Ang project nyo ay bubuo ng eroplano. Alright, thank you everyone for watching. Stay tuned for next video. Bye everyone.